conclude, if you're an engineer, um, talking about those in engineering, could be structural, civil, electrical, um, computing, computer engineering, material, and a lot of engineering, and most especially those in tech, IT. Um, and I'll tell you that this is the best time to come into the United States. Now, this is where the H1B system, which is actually overwhelmed by Indians, which is used to bring a lot of resources into the US in terms of temporal manpower, is having some bottlenecks, and that's opportunity for those who want to be permanent residents. And I'll tell you, the United States is a little bit fed up with Asia. I mean, with respect to labor from Asia, and so this is opportunity for those of us from Africa and particularly Nigeria. So if you are in any of these professions, most especially if you have worked, you've got work experience. Minimum, you have a bachelor's degree and a lot of work experience, and that's going to be good if it's with reputable engineering or companies. And make sure your role is also related to that. It may not be related to what you're studying or what you have studied. However, it's that's what you've practiced. You've practiced. Maybe you could be a project engineer all the last 10 years or 7 years. It could be in different establishments. You can get into the EB program, and a lot of Nigerians are getting it. And I tell you, an interesting thing about this EB program, especially for those people in engineering, the EB program does not have a cap. What I mean by it doesn't have a cap, it doesn't say because 1,000 people applied, and so we're going to give 500. No, if 1,000 people apply and 1,000 people qualify, they all get approved. The only bottleneck that comes in is they get approved, but they take longer time because each country have what we call wait time. I will call that priority date. That is why if you apply for this together with an Indian, why you will get your visa in 8 months. I mean, you come into the United States, you are both approved at the same time with an Indian for this permanent resident visa. You are going to get your visa to the US in 8 months. Why the Indian we have to wait 12 years? So why you wait 8 months, they wait 12 years. Same with Chinese. So it's because they have too many people that have been approved. Why is Nigeria 8 months? And even in EB1, we are current. Current means the day you get approved, you get a green card in the EB1. And that's why it's possible there are people we've actually worked for, and in less than 3 months, everybody in the family are in the United States. EB1. So it could be EB1, EB2 for those of you who are in the area of tech, and those of you who are engineers who are IT. So take advantage of the employment-based visa. Make sure you understand both the technical requirements and the requirements in law. It's very important. And the law part of it, because there are specifics that are actually required for this visa. Thank you.